Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to restore deleted apps on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store, then tap on the profile icon and go to Manage Apps and Device. Then tap on Manage and tap on this device. And from here, select Not Installed. And from here, you will find all the deleted apps on your smartphone. Now to restore the deleted app, just tap on the square icon and select the app which you want to restore, just like that. Then tap on the download icon over here. Now once the selected apps finishes downloading, just go to your home screen and open the app door. And as you can see, we have successfully restored the deleted apps on our smartphone. And this is how you can restore deleted apps on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.